Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to withdraw funds from RBC Tax-Free Savings Account. Withdrawing funds from your RBC Tax-Free Savings Account is quick and simple. Start by logging into your RBC Online Banking account, then head over to your list of accounts and select your TFSA. Click on Withdraw Investments and choose the TFSA you'd like to withdraw from. Enter the amount you wish to take out and select your destination account. This must be a Canadian dollar personal account under your sole or joint ownership. Once it's set, click Continue. You'll be asked to provide your contact details, such as your email or phone number. Click Continue again. Review your transaction details carefully, and when everything looks correct, hit Submit. You'll then see a confirmation page with all the details and your transaction number for your records. Just remember, if your TFSA holds non-redeemable guaranteed investment certificates, you won't be able to withdraw from those until they mature. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.